Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store. So for example, right now it loads, but if I open any app and click install, it will be pending forever. It will never download unless we fix that. So let's cancel it after about 10 seconds. And Google Chrome doesn't work as well. Let's check that. On Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, this fix should work on it, and we'll move to the settings. Then find the system right here in the bottom. Go for date and time, and right here enable use network provided time. Now if we go to Google Play Store and install the same app, it should download almost instantly. And the same as with Google Chrome, we can reload the page and it works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.